don't realise what it does. So.
Yeah. How are you going to manage this micro to your right?
I'm going to let him go in because he's probably going to go first. So.
Okay, sound.
Just keep up there.
Yeah. Nice decision, mate, to be fair. Do you honestly think this sounds terrible?
I need it 12 rounds.
No, honestly, I think you've made the right choice. Thought it was really good.
Yeah.
But do you think that's the stereotypical, I'm going to push down the outside of the end of the queue and push in? Or do you think it's just a mistake?
A misunderstanding from it.
I think
so, yeah.
I reckon so too.
You can tell who does it because people speed up to it and just try and push in.
She didn't. She actually did it in an okay way, didn't she? Yeah. She just sort of like held back.
Yeah, she had a bit of etiquette, like. But...
Yeah, she did.
Yeah.
Okay, sound. But I'm not saying the people who just do it on purpose, honestly, they're still a risk to you as well, to be honest. They're more likely just to barge and try and push. So, honestly, best thing, just diffuse the situation, just go, yeah, whatever. Yeah. It's usually those dicks who drive BMWs. Oops. We do get targeted a bit, mate, to be fair.
Use Audis.
Yeah, got one of them as well.
Took a lot of it.
Yeah. I'm just the utter. I'm not going to say it again.
No.
Funny.
He's not as bad as white van or taxis, to be fair.
Right, okay, yeah. They can be a little issue to you sometimes, but learners are just as much of a pain in the arse sometimes.
Yeah.
Certainly can be.